School closed today, school closed tomorrow. Kiddos, that means get out there and shovel for your parents who very likely have to go to work tomorrow. Still snowing here in Boston, not very windy, and it's kind of just a really pretty snow globe type snow. Let's take a look at the roads. Not a lot of traffic on the roads right now. Good idea, because that snow emergency is still in effect. That also means the parking ban is still in effect. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Can oh hi. I'm sorry, I have a thing for dogs. Adorable, continue, enjoy. Parking ban still in effect. It'll likely be lifted tomorrow, so that means that you won't have to move your cars tonight, but you will have to get them out before tomorrow. No school, I should say, tomorrow. No real major problems from this storm here in Boston so far today. At last check, the mayor said roughly 300 people were without power. That's nothing compared to other areas of our city. And the library will be open tomorrow. Schools closed tomorrow. Let's go ahead and listen to what the mayor had to say a short time ago.
Libraries and Boston Center for Youth and Families and City Hall all will be open tomorrow, so we will have a normal day outside from schools. All of our facilities will be open in the city of Boston tomorrow. Public Works has a full team on the roads, about 8.
Okay, so if we have, and we are having another snow day tomorrow, that believes, I think by my tally, kiddos, you're going to be going to school until June 27th. But us adults have to work all year long, so I don't really feel that sorry for you.